We handle and have handled all types of class actions. So I'll just give you some examples. We handled a case under what's called the Fair Labor Standard Act, or the FLSA. It was almost exclusively moms who were working at a title company, a real estate company. They were being asked to work huge amounts of overtime, but being told not to report it. At least that was the allegations. And that's what we believed was happening. And in those cases, they're a little different than a typical class action because you send out notice, people sign up, and they're called collective actions. So we've handled labor cases. We have handled environmental class actions in which we've alleged that some of the largest oil companies in the world contaminated the soil of people and their drinking water. We've handled class actions dealing with fees that are added to bills, which are sort of a traditional class action where no one person might be able to bring that claim because their damages are relatively small, but the company has really recognized a windfall from what was alleged to be an illegal practice. It's not uncommon for a company to extort $10, $20 a month from a bunch of customers, but if you have 1 million customers, it's a lot of money. And so class actions can serve a valuable role in checking those types of behaviors that could never be checked through individual claims. We've handled class actions that relate to mortgage issues, and we've handled class actions that relate to auto dealerships. So we've handled a number of different types of class actions. I think what we learned was once you develop the experience and the expertise that allow you to handle complex class actions, the substantive law is the last piece. And so if you're comfortable, I've handled, Alicia's handled, Eric's handled individual discrimination cases, for example. And so we have put on file employment discrimination class actions because we understand how those work. I understand toxic tort. It's not what I do every day, but I have a history of understanding, product liability. And so if the right class action comes along in which I see that there's a defective product, I think we feel comfortable stepping in and handling those kinds of cases.